Hello, everyone. Welcome to this episode of the Connect series. I'm Nick Smith here in Dallas. Today, I have a very special guest, Jackie Tian. He's the president of BDE Technology, and he's out of Chicago. BDE helps to make modules to help connectivity customers bring products to the market quickly. Thanks for joining us, Jackie.
Hi, thank you, Nick. Thank you for having me.
Absolutely. So maybe to start out, can you tell us a little bit about BDE Technology, what it is you do, and how you help customers?
Yeah, BDE Technology was founded in 2009 in Chicago, Illinois. The company is specialized in wireless technologies like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, BLE, Zigbee, Thread, sub-1 gig, Wi-SUN, and recently Amazon Sidewalk, Matter, RFID, etc. We provide wireless modules, IoT solutions, RF, hardware, and software design services worldwide. BDE partnered with Texas Instruments and provide across-the-board TI wireless modules. For every TI wireless IC, BDE builds a series of modules around it. The roadmap is aligned with TI wireless BU. The modules are sampled and released to the market at the same time as the chips. Now we have about more than 150 modules based on TI's wireless IC. Tens of more will be added every year.
Wow, yeah, that's great. Over 150 modules. And you know, what I've seen is that a lot of customers are now having the challenge of adding wireless to new products, but the hardware design and sometimes the software can be difficult. So it's great that BDE is helping build these modules to get customers into production faster. And I know TI has recently announced our new Wi-Fi 6 platform of devices. Can you talk about some of the modules you plan to build with those devices?
Yes, working closely with the TI Wi-Fi group, we synchronized the module development progress with that of CC33 series, which is the latest Wi-Fi 6 and the BLE 5.3 companion IC from TI. Two series of modules are developed to enable the latest Wi-Fi and BLE connectivity for IoT applications at an affordable price. One series has pin-to-pin compatible footprint with previous generation of TI and BDE wireless Wi-Fi Bluetooth modules. Customers are able to migrate to newer and lower cost solution with the drop-in hardware and with minimal software changes. Based on different antenna configuration, there are 5 variants in this series. So the new antenna version provide an RF pad for the user to connect to any external antenna. The PCB trace antenna version is the easiest to integrate into the end product. The UFL version provides an onboard UFL connector for any external antenna. There are also 2 variants with antenna diversity to support dual antennas for better connection. All variants are pre-certified with multiple antennas for user to select from.
Yeah, and that's great, Jackie, because it sounds like not only do you have a wide range of different module options, including maybe even pin-to-pin modules from the older Wi-Fi devices to the new CC33X devices, but you also have various antenna options. And you mentioned pre-certification. Can you talk a little bit about the regulatory certification on the modules? Because this is a point that I see that's challenging sometimes for connectivity customers.
Yes, the module will be certified for Bluetooth, FCC, ISED, CE, and TELAC, ROS, and RAIDS, etc. for easy integration and faster time to market for customers. With our expertise, we always help customers to pass the regulation requirement from any country. Back to the previous question. So one theory I mentioned was designed to be pin-to-pin compatible with the previous generation of TI Wi-Fi Bluetooth modules. Another series was smaller footprint, has smaller footprint for dimension sensitive applications. Not only backward compatible, all the modules are also designed to be forward compatible with TI's future dual band and tri-band product.
Yeah, and that's very beneficial to have not only small size module options, but also, as you said, make sure that there's compatibility into the future as TI brings some more dual and tri-band and other Wi-Fi options to the market. I think it's very exciting for the customers. Now, if somebody wanted to get started and evaluate some of these modules today, what tools do you have?
So these modules are sampling now and will be in mass production by the end of the year. So the module evaluation kits and M.2 card are similar to TI's evaluation kits. Customers can easily switch from one to another while evaluating the product. They are also available right now, those evaluation kits.
And I know that a lot of customers are using different hosts in their system with TI Wi-Fi devices, either RTOS-based or Linux-based hosts. What host platforms do your modules support today?
Right now, the module works on different Linux and RTOS platforms. Currently, TI's AM62 and the AM335 Linux platforms, and also CC13 series and the CC26 series silicons with RTOS system are supported. More platforms are coming soon. The EVK and the SDK and also the corresponding documentations on different platforms are provided. The documents provide the reference hardware design and also will guide you through the demos step by step.
It's great. It sounds like there's a lot of flexibility between the hosts that are supported and also a lot of documentation and content to help people get started fast. So if people out there do want to know more about these specific modules, where can they go to learn more information?
Yeah, those modules can be found on BD's website. They are also accessible from TI CC33 series product webpage.
That's great. So it sounds like everything's on the web. People can go check it out today. And Jackie, I just want to thank you for joining us from Chicago to walk through what BDE does and how you partner with us at TI to bring our customers modules to build connectivity products better and faster. It's very exciting. Thank all of you guys for joining us as always. We have more exciting topics coming up.
Sure, thank you. The pleasure is mine.